So you might have seen images like this previously where you have an image set into what effectively is a grid with some spacing in between. Sometimes it can look quite nice. You see it on covers of magazines, that kind of thing. And I just wanted to show you how to do that. It's actually far easier than it looks. So the tool we're going to use here is a rectangle frame tool. And we'll drag that out. And what we're going to do is use the arrow keys as we saw in the previous videos to drag those out. Remember, there's obviously the options to space these out more or less as well, as we've looked at previously. With all of those still selected, I'm just going to go to the Object menu and use this Pathfinder function that we saw in previous tips and add those together. And it puts that grid together into a single compound frame. And what I can do with that is I can now file and place into there, pick my image, click open, and it places it into this frame with all of those grids together. And it gives you that kind of gridify effect in there, which is quite nice, and it's quite a common one. So hopefully that speeds that process up a little bit for some of you.